If you are searching for a heavy-duty, two-tier sliding shelf system to maximize storage space and eliminate clutter beneath your kitchen or bathroom sinks, the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer 2-pack is likely on your radar. Under sink areas are notoriously difficult to keep organized due to plumbing pipes and deep cabinets, so understanding how this metal slide-out rack is built helps determine whether it fits your home. Quick disclosure, the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The primary highlight of the Kitstorack Organizer is its smooth slide-out drawer mechanism. Featuring two sliding wire mesh drawers with built-in slide rails, it brings cleaning supplies, sponges, and toiletries from the dark back of your cabinet straight to the front, eliminating the need to crouch and dig through cluttered shelves. Durability and structural strength are key differentiators. Built entirely from heavy-duty carbon steel metal with a rust-resistant black finish, this organizer is designed to withstand heavy bottles, liquid detergent jugs, and damp under-sink environments without sagging, bending, or rusting over time. The two-tier design maximizes vertical cabinet space while accommodating surrounding plumbing fixtures. The top and bottom wire basket drawers provide ample height clearance for taller spray bottles on the bottom tier, while keeping smaller sponges, brushes, or personal care items neatly stowed in the upper basket. Installation and assembly are engineered for hassle-free setup. The system snaps together using included structural support frames and hardware, requiring no complex tools or permanent drilling into your cabinetry. Plus, getting a 2-pack allows you to organize both your kitchen sink and a bathroom vanity simultaneously. When evaluating who the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer is best suited for, it stands out as an excellent, durable solution for homeowners, renters, apartment dwellers, and organization enthusiasts wanting sturdy metal sliding storage for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantries. On the other hand, if your under-sink plumbing features unusually low-hanging drain pipes, you will want to measure your cabinet clearance carefully beforehand. Before making your final choice, measure your under-sink dimensions and plumbing clearance to confirm whether a two-tier metal sliding rack fits your space. If this looks like the right organization upgrade for your home, you can check current pricing and availability through the product link in the description. If this video helped clarify the features of the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer 2-pack, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point product breakdowns. If you have any questions or thoughts about under-sink storage solutions, drop them in the comments below.